Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this gorgeous neutral smoky eye. I'll definitely do that super black iconic smoky eye soon, but this one is quite wearable and it's really simple. I love doing a smoky eye in these neutral shades, so I hope you guys enjoy this. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting out with the Glam Glow Glow Starter, and this is in Nude Glow. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Next up is the Primerizer by Smashbox. This is a primer and moisturizer in one. Pretty amazing. Going to be adding my favorite eyeshadow base, and this is the CK. I don't know what I'm going to do when this eyeshadow base is finished because this is discontinued. I'm sorry, I'm using a discontinued product, guys. But the Smashbox is also amazing, and the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot. So it's not like I'm not giving you any other options. Oh my god, I was like freezing a second ago and I made me a hot water bottle and it's on my lap. But now I am dying of heat. Oh my god. I'm going to be using the Dream Street Shadow Palette, and this is Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. This I got from Bazaar Bazaar, which is a account on Instagram that ships international brands to SA. So if you ever need your Colourpop fix, just go to Bazaar Bazaar. I love how it rolls with the tongue, Bazaar Bazaar. I'm going to be using shade Potion and applying this in my crease. Remember to use circular motions, and the trick with blending is actually to be very soft with the brush. If you press the bristles into your skin, you're going to get a blotchy application, so just be soft on that skin, feather it on nicely. Going to be applying the shade Elfish, which is a super dark brown. I'm just like, oh, delicious. I'm going to be adding the shade Shooting Star on my lid. This is such a beautiful matte neutral shade. I'm like obsessed with this. And that is it, guys. Keeping it simple with the eyeshadow for y'all. I'm going to be adding the Kiss Blowout Lashes, and I'm just like so obsessed with how beautiful this is. I walked into Clicks, and usually I don't even look at the lashes because I'm so used to seeing all of these same brands. But I was surprised to see Sorbet, they now have lashes, and now I see that Clicks stock Kiss. So I'm so excited about this and to try these lashes. Using the Ardell Lash Grip, which you can also get at Clicks, I'm just going to be applying my lashes like this. I'm sorry if my products are like dirty, guys. Like, I am a makeup artist and it's very normal. Sometimes like my packaging, it just ain't pretty anymore. Next up is the Bobbi Brown foundation, and this is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15 Full Cover Oil Free Shine Control. Okay, she is a mouthful, but she's stunning. I have dry skin, so it doesn't work that well for me, but I just apply 2 layers of primer, so let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so this foundation is way too light for me, unfortunately. I'm going to be adding some yellow and brown to my face before, just so it's all corrected. I must look real funny. So yeah, I use this palette quite often if I need to correct my foundation shade. and it works. Okay. Now I'm going to be using the Perfect Coverage Concealer in shade 20. Now using the contour stick from Floma. This is the medium. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Puma and Maybelline collab highlighter. And this is shade Knockout. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Gosh bronzer. This is the Giant Sun Power. Now I'm going to be applying that same shade underneath my eye, the dark shades. Just want to concentrate the darker shade on the outer corner. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using this cute little Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and this is actually a sample size. Obviously, like, they can't be this small. Ooh. Okay. I just want to keep applying this because it's so amazing. I'm sure you've experienced that when you love a product so much and you just want to keep applying and applying because you can't get enough. This is what's going on now. Fluffy brows. If you want to know how to do it, please head over to my previous tutorial, because the people that constantly watch my videos, and I don't get that much views on my videos, the people that constantly watch it is gonna get bored of seeing me doing the same freaking brow all the time. So we're skipping brows, and it's going to make you go watch one of my other videos, since you're clearly here for the first time if you haven't seen how I do my fluffy brow. Okay guys, so now that brows are on, I'm going to be applying the Golden Rose lip gloss, and this is shade Nude Sparkle. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. I'm sorry, but this has to be the most beautiful nude gloss I've ever seen. Oh my god. Golden Rose, what you doing on there? Oh, I love it. And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Love you all.